Something unbelievable has just shaken the NFL to its core, and if you're a fan of the Las Vegas Raiders, you might want to sit down for this one because what just happened is the kind of move that nobody saw coming, and yet now that it's here, it's already sending shockwaves across the entire league. Reports are exploding, insiders are reacting, and fans are left trying to process a reality that just hours ago felt impossible. The Raiders have lost their star wide receiver to an AFC rival. Not just any move, not just any player, we're talking about a key piece of their offense, someone who defined their identity, someone who fans believed was untouchable. And just like that, he's gone. The energy around this situation changed in an instant. One moment, everything felt stable, like the Raiders were building towards something special. There was optimism, there was belief, there was that feeling that this team was finally putting the pieces together. And then boom. The kind of news that hits your phone and makes you double-check if it's real. Social media lit up instantly. Fans were refreshing feeds, insiders were scrambling, and analysts across networks were trying to make sense of what just unfolded. Because losing a star receiver is one thing, but losing him to a direct AFC rival? That's a completely different level of impact. What makes this even more shocking is how central this player was to the Raiders' system. This wasn't just a guy putting up numbers. This was a game changer. A player who demanded double coverage, who opened up the field, who gave the quarterback confidence in critical moments. When things broke down, he was the one you looked for. When the game was on the line, he was the one making plays. And now he's going to be doing all of that for another team. A team that the Raiders could very well face in crucial AFC matchups. Just think about that for a second. The same player who once carried your offense could now be the one tearing apart your defense. Fans are stunned, and honestly, it's not hard to see why. The reaction has been a mix of disbelief, frustration, and straight-up anger. You can feel it in every comment section, every live stream, every discussion. People are asking the same questions over and over again. How did this happen? Why would the Raiders let this happen? And maybe the biggest question of all, what does this mean for the future of the team? Because moves like this don't just affect one season. They ripple out. They change expectations. They shift the entire direction of a franchise. And then there's the rival team. Let's talk about them for a moment. Because while Raiders fans are trying to process the loss, that other locker room is celebrating. They just landed a weapon. A proven star. Someone who instantly elevates their offense. And in a conference as competitive as the AFC, adding a player like this can be the difference between being good and being a true contender. You better believe their fans are fired up right now. You better believe their coaching staff is already thinking about how to maximize this opportunity. Because opportunities like this don't come around often. But here's where things get even more interesting. This wasn't just a random decision. Moves like this usually come with layers. There are always behind-the-scenes factors. Contract situations, locker room dynamics, long-term planning, things that fans don't always see right away. And that's what makes this situation so fascinating. Because as more details start to come out, as insiders begin to piece together what led to this moment, we're starting to get a clearer picture, and it's not as simple as it might seem on the surface. There are whispers that tensions had been building. That maybe things weren't as perfect behind the scenes as they looked on game day. That there were disagreements, frustrations, maybe even a sense that both sides were heading in different directions. And if that's true, then this move starts to make a little more sense. Not easier to accept, but easier to understand. Because at the end of the day, football is a business. And sometimes, even the most exciting partnerships come to an end. Still, understanding it doesn't make it hurt any less. Especially for a fanbase that has been waiting for something to believe in. The Raiders have been trying to re-establish themselves, to build a roster that can compete at the highest level. And losing a star receiver like this, it feels like a step backward. It raises doubts. It creates uncertainty. And in a league where momentum is everything, that kind of uncertainty can be dangerous. Now the focus shifts to what comes next. Because the story doesn't end here. Not even close. In fact, you could argue that this is just the beginning. The Raiders have decisions to make. Big ones? Do they try to replace that production immediately? Do they look to develop younger talent? Do they make another move to balance things out? Every option comes with its own risks and rewards. And every decision they make from this point forward will be under a microscope. At the same time, all eyes are going to be on that AFC rival. Because expectations just skyrocketed. When you bring in a player of this caliber, you're not just making a move for the future, you're making a statement. You're telling the league that you're ready to compete right now. That you're not waiting, you're not rebuilding, you're going for it. And that kind of pressure can be both exciting and dangerous. Because now, anything less than success is going to feel like a disappointment. And let's not forget about the player at the center of all this. Because for him, this is a massive moment. A fresh start. A new opportunity. A chance to prove himself all over again in a different system, with different teammates, in a different environment. Sometimes, moves like this bring out the best in a player. Sometimes, they unlock a whole new level. And if that happens, the Raiders might end up regretting this decision even more. You can already imagine the matchups. The anticipation. The storyline when these two teams eventually face each other. Because you know it's coming. You know the schedule makers are going to circle that game. And when it happens, it's going to be must-watch. Former teammates going head-to-head. A fanbase with something to prove. A player with a point to make. That's the kind of drama the NFL thrives on. But beyond the headlines, beyond the reactions, beyond the immediate shock, there's a bigger picture here. This is a reminder of how quickly things can change in the NFL. How one move can alter the landscape of an entire conference. How no player, no matter how important, is ever truly untouchable. And that's what makes this league so unpredictable and so compelling. For Raiders fans, the next few weeks are going to be tough. There's going to be a lot of discussion, a lot of debate, a lot of second guessing. That's just the reality of a move like this. But there's also going to be an opportunity. An opportunity to see how this team responds. How they adapt. How they move forward. Because at the end of the day, that's what defines great teams. Not the setbacks, but how they handle them. And for the rest of the NFL, this is a wake-up call. Because if a move like this can happen, it means anything is possible. It means no roster is set in stone. It means every team has to stay ready, stay aggressive, stay aware. Because the moment you get comfortable, that's when something like this can catch you off guard. So as the dust begins to settle, as more details come out, as the reality of this move sinks in, one thing is clear. This isn't just another transaction. This is a moment.